to the advice. What general advice would you give to students about to study at university?
To study at university would be go for something you're passionate in, something that you actually are going to want to do the research in, the reading. You're going to have to write about it a lot and learn about it. So do something that you actually feel like could take you somewhere in your future. And that's why I chose management, in the fact that I have to study management for 4 years, but after I've done that, I can go anywhere with management. So
That freedom of pathway.
Yeah, exactly. It's rather than studying one certain thing for 4 years and then realizing that actually I've now got to do that for a lifetime. If you go for something that you feel like you actually are going to want to do, then you can go anywhere with it.
What advice would you give to students about to study at Bournemouth University?
Don't turn 18 the week before you go. No, Bournemouth is incredible. I looked around a lot of universities before I went, and I appreciate that with the students who are coming this September, they probably haven't been able to look around many universities with COVID. And I had my heart set on another uni. I went and I looked and I didn't like it. And I was like, what am I going to do? And Mum was like, oh, just go and have a look at Bournemouth. I looked around Bournemouth and I was like, yeah, this is it. I'm happy here. And it was just a lovely town. It had a lovely feeling. And you've always got the beach to escape to. I think Bournemouth's gorgeous.
What advice would you give to students about to study your course at university?
Events management, because my friend does tourism management. They're very similar, but different. I think with events management is don't go in thinking you're going to plan a lot of events, because you don't. You have to learn the maths and the finance. I've done 2 finance units. I've done 1 economics unit. It is business, really. So don't go in thinking you're going to be planning parties and weddings, because you're not.
One question I just want to go back to is about the Bournemouth area. Is there anything else you think students need to know about the Bournemouth area aside from what we spoke about previously?